To your TV screen with the son Georgia Church and things them. It's a Friday. Good
I'm sorry.
Freaking
Friday. It's a freaking crazy Friday. Let me tell you, we go. See, if my butt and everything they open, don't blame me. I tried so much, but blessing my chest, it just a bust they open. So
I know it's what you cover. We will know what you take today. We don't say they don't sell her for bottles. They don't sell her for bottles.
And they try to put the bottles.
As you take the entire bar, I leave that thing. I can't ask you. I want to see whether you're single. Don't come. You know where guy person go dress.
You will say the artist.
Say you're single. You
promoting yourself. Better I go to single. Say this on an upcoming artist. But I go single. I am going to sing.
Can you tell me which area for this Lagos get upcoming artists pass? Surulere,
I go pick AJ.
AJ.
I go pick AJ.
First Stack.
I think AJ.
Trade Fair.
I go pick AJ.
I think
my
AJ.
brother. The answer is First Stack. First Stack?
First Stack is more civilized. So I think
my brother.
Excuse me. I think First Stack. I go
pick AJ. Why I go pick AJ? Because a lot of young people want to sing.
Listen to statistics. I don't forget the number. We have more recording studios in First Stack than anywhere in this Lagos. Studios. Studio with the First Stack. For First Stack, they give person your CD like this. As you want to go say, hey bros, come take my own.
Are you serious?
They change it.
But are the artists good? Did they try? Because if
they talk about the population. And they talk about the quality.
But talking about quality of music, I want to talk about quality of music because I don't these days I don't know people anything we hear for Nigeria now we be like saying we the one accept and we like chorus.
Aside that one, wait till they feel say Nigerians they listen to now and the rhythm of the song. The message is not to the
I think now what sells in Nigeria now na beats. Because you enter club, because the only reason why one girl they argue me yesterday say I love Lil Cash more than Ricardo Banks. And I asked her to say reason first why. She said first she be Yoruba. I say Ricardo Banks, you know which place he come from. If people say Yoruba, say she don't know. So first, leave language aside. Waiting you really like. He say all the song of Lil Cash na hits. I say Olamide don't inspire you again with that because every now na hit with that. What else do you like? It's okay if you enter club. Which song you will fit dance to between Lil Cash and Ricardo? I said you now come to the point. You dance more to a Lil Cash song in the club because of the beats. Do you understand? He gets more of the Joko and the hair. But my problem is now the content, the lyrics, the message, where would they get for our song these days? Like that Lil Cash song. It's more of a anti-Janet.
I know.
So there are many. So what are we promoting in Nigerian music?
That's why they talk. I'm saying now. I believe that time don't reach where we say we need to. Music for Nigeria really need to change a little bit. We need to leave that.
It cannot change.
We need to leave that norm of
yes.
Is it changing?
Yes.
We need to start passing good messages.
You know, I'm telling you that it's not changing. If you go club, you go be like saying, "I want song." Now you dance to. You come out, except they play American music.
Then you have a very wrong DJ. Then a bad DJ you get.
Wait.
If you have a good DJ, give kudos to DJ Switch.
Wait, let me tell you.
DJ Factor. These are people who play for you good songs.
Those are your DJs now. You promote them.
No. I'm just saying.
And they are my people as well.
Yes,
you both of them.
Big End, very good DJ.
Wait, now
DJ Snoop, fantastic.
Let me tell you what it is now. Nigerian music. For example, this boy Kenny Black. The reason why if you use one beat, put many Nigerian songs inside. Because Kenny Black, now that boy who they use music, they rhyme. Okay. That comedian, that small boy. You understand? You go use one beat, use all the Nigerian songs, all they enter. All they enter.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That means now the same thing. Nothing is changing.
You are not wrong in what you are saying.
Nothing is changing yet.
No, you are not wrong in what you are saying. Me, when I say the music is changing and when you go say music is changing, it's because change is a process. And I see I'm coming to you. I get you.
You know why
I get your point. Let me tell you why I agree with you.
Because the ones where they won't sing songs will get message before. Then they switch. They switch. They join the
Let me agree with you and why I understand what you are saying. and I'll tell you why they happen like that. Take for instance now, I'm going to give two people because personally me, I'm going to be doing a show very soon. Where personally, when I'm music, I want to criticize and he's already on there. But now look at a guy like Kiss Daniel. And if it happen to anybody, it can happen to you. Kiss Daniel come out Woju. You understand? And when you maybe either a producer or a musician, when you come out and if you say this song hits, the next thing you want to try is to do the same thing. And I've seen it that it's like a remix. Because if you Jagaban come on your they do remix. Would you do remix? Now but what Kiss Daniel now can't do, we say, he now knows it to enjoy the same fame we enjoy on Woju. Now you do lie on the same beat. Now techno, do duro. It's the same beat for wash.
If the same guy, the same song,
shocking.
Yes. The same
Everybody in Nigeria, whenever you hear the same sound in the club, whether you are hearing the same sound.
Why
but
they so different?
Like Whiskey, Burna Boy,
why
they will
about,
not give you that.
Why
they are different.
What about different artists? Me sing song now, and then my song, the sound I like your own with different producer. Different person. For example,
Olumente use oh my goodness. No. There's somebody's beat. I mean, Aduro beat. That Aduro beat exactly where he used for one of his newest songs now where he come out. I have noticed one thing about
this Jagaban. YC.
Yeah.
Do you know if you play that Jagaban, then you play Fino's No be go smooth now. Connect. You play Jagaban, play Connect.
Let me tell you that one.
Now just
I think what we will dwell on music today and like that. I'll give you another song and I want to ask a question because I was even confused. I've been asked people say which of these songs come off first. Between KC, Harry song, and which I obviously know.
Okay, Ebano.
I obviously know say na Harry song.
Ebano.
Na Harry song write that song.
Ebano and Janta.
Were you there? Did they put the right Did they put the right
when you look at the when you hear the song, you will know what the Harry song can do.
If you know the artist very well,
so what are you saying?
Ebano. I have said it.
Ebano and Janta Manta.
No. What did they try talk now? Say
SHOWMAN.
no fit write song. I be waiting.
No,
because SHOWMAN now.
He did not say that.
No, because he say once you hear song, say that the song now write up.
I say
once you hear the song, where are the songs?
When Casey was with Fresh, Casey Fresh. Were they not doing music? Was there a song there?
Yes, a song has been there. The same way Mehdi has been there for P-Square.
Casey Fresh. I mean when
the song has been there on the low-key. My point is
you are talking about him.
My point, excuse me. You cannot put water into my mouth. My point is this. I said if you hear that Ebano, you're going to see the song kind of music. So obviously, I know I feel
so what if the Casey kind of music? Casey no get music.
I do. What is the
Share the scene now.
I am comparing Ebano with Janta Mata where you talk
Ebano and Janta Mata of Mavins.
Janta Mata,
the one where DJ rock to.
And then Ebano. Now the same thing. Now who first come out that song?
Janta Mata was out first.
No.
Yes. I hear Janta Mata was out first.
Janta Mata was out first.
I hear was out first before, but Ebano doesn't come for me. I saw that. But now you see, I think what the music industry people are doing is this. When you sit down, and anybody can do it, even for comedy. Comedians a hear person joke, you understand? Then when you want to come, you can say it your own way. It's allowed. Now what people do, even America do it, because if you like that, now watch me whoop. Now something like Soldier Boy. So there is always a trend and a pattern for a particular period of time. If you did good enough, there's a difference with cover. Like when Adele sing Hello and everybody do cover. There's a difference with cover, a difference with remix, and a difference with
what if the use of that cover All the people who do cover for Nigeria, I never see anybody go shoot.
Forget.
Go perform.
No. Omami's cover was a very good one.
You don't see her perform Hello anywhere.
Oh my God, yes.
Ima, oh my God, also did
Ima, oh my God's cover was beautiful.
It was a good one.
But the best cover of Hello was one boy. Not Vico did very
If you do a
There's
cover,
one boy I did a rap.
can you perform it in a show?
Yes, now.
Have you seen any of these artists that did cover? in Nigeria
No,
perform
let me
that
tell
song.
you, cover is allowed. Most times,
It's more or
Americans
less like singing your song in another way.
Yes, it's
Not
allowed.
your song, singing your song in another person's song.
No, let me
that's
tell
what
you,
I'm saying
whether you like it or not, they are
If
giving
it's your
you
song,
praise.
singing it
Praise,
in
praise. I
another
don't need
dimension.
praise for how many shows from that last year till now. You know what singing hello.
Praise cannot
cover.
do his own hello because his hello no sweet.
Why you say no sweet?
He no
Because
sweet
no
like
sweet
that.
for a year.
He no
You say-
sweet like that.
I go say no
If he
sweet.
sweet, he go do am.
I bet we'll go small break, sharp, we dey come back.
Cover, we dey all sing am till today. We love because it's reggae and I love reggae.
So now welcome back. Now see BOBOS and they watch on top this Obonge TV station. Now we just there is a funky Friday thing and we dey talk many things. Our social media portals they run through your screen. Anything what you want more to talk about, I beg the followers they talk. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Let's talk.
And we know say na Friday night, and one thing where they make Friday night make sense na music.
Yeah.
So that's why we hammer more music.
Music and the ladies. Yeah.
For my guy song.
Which one guy be that?
Patoranke.
Which one?
Make am.
Okay.
Nobody will not fit to make am.
Okay, I know where you want to enter that.
It's very wrong. You understand? If you want to make comparison, make it clear so that people when they listen to the song, don't know what they talk. You say, I get one party, they stay for Shogule. He makes more money. He come back go Ajegule. Please, is Ajegule better than Shogule?
I think I never.
No, because you find rhyme. You just won't get rhyme.
It's not a lie. Before I forget, thank you very much for reminding me. You come back to that thing. This rhyme issue, we need to correct them because they just think they can all rhyme. My friend and my brother, our KD brother, Skills. I hear his song and he sang one line. He say, "My music sweet like Ajinomoto. He can't be like say I don't win lotto." So I can't say. Now I say first. Ajinomoto, is it something that is very, very big? Because if I want to diss Skills now, I go say, now because your son be like Ajinomoto, now why you never really...
Because that's in the posh person.
Because the posh person, you understand? Then when he ran the lotto, he don't say, he say, he don't say he be like say I don't win lotto. He be like he say my music sweet like Ajinomoto. He come be like he come be like say na lotto. So I can't say so. Maybe be like say even your song self na like lottery.
But really, when it comes to rhymes, all these our artists they make many mistakes.
You don't have
mistakes.
You see,
then they make mistakes.
The mistake they make is that people, I think what we do in Nigeria is we don't take our time, sit down, write this song. We just, anything we enter our head, oh boy, Ajinomoto, moto, lotto, he enter, you understand? We don't write it down, you understand, as music. Meanwhile,
and some of them, apart from the rhyme, some of them, they talk with you, make sense.
Like that's your own about...
from the couch to the bedroom, from the couch to the bed,
from the bed to the bedroom.
From the bed to the bedroom. Meanwhile, bed is already in the bedroom.
I blame Don Jazzy in that one too because Don Jazzy was the producer of that song. And Don Jazzy,
my brother, now what you
no.
Now go put beat. My own not be to correct song
for that song.
My own that to put beat for you.
The follow sick for the song. And the mistake where happen me say, if you hear that, if I want people to go and listen, yeah, my brother, but we know they hide mouth to tell you where your own 4 cups of rice is. Hear that song where even towards the ending, you go hear where. He get one place where the song they go. He won't continue to sing the chorus again. They can't cut him. Hear that song read the ending. You go hear where he won't sing the chorus. They can't cut him again. So if
they put up a market like that.
It looked like a rush walk. That's why somebody don't fit tell. They cannot tell you. I say you know a mistake you make. You were meant to say from the couch to the bed, from the bed to the bathroom. Then make some sweet movie in some jacuzzi because jacuzzi is found in the bathroom. So, but he now say bedroom. It was saying a proper Akwa Ibom, I go say an accent. But no, he say he talk bedroom. But nobody amongst them it no hard to cut that thing out.
They abuse people where we hear their mistake. It gets some where they sing where they say we never hear, we never know what they talk.
Like
now make I don't know where the G day right now. And I follow you talk, you understand? You know what? Nonsense, it can only just sweet for that moment.
The person way me I get,
but not feel last.
The person way I happy for and I finally think I like his style and I like how this is new song. I first diss him first because normally we are always told to praise before we diss, but I'll diss him and then praise him. It's Victor. I did not see anything with Victor sing for that effect Joku. That effect Joku of Lil Kesh. That's a line. In fact, Lil Kesh carried, the song was long. Lil Kesh do like 3 verses for that song. Then give a small listen. But Victor proved us wrong for Skibby. That's true. Skibby 1, Skibby 2.
He don't show saying he don't go work on himself.
Yeah,
now. So
he showed up because I did not hear one line for Efejoku. One.
Meanwhile, I get problem with the chorus of that Efejoku.
Singer make I hear.
You tell somebody say you want dance die. Today you go dance die. And you expect me to celebrate such song.
Because Nigeria, even my local dialect, anything way sweet. The car, if like say go say, I don't know how people are like, oh boy, today I enjoy die. I don't know why in Nigeria everything way sweet. You understand? Think of some. You go hear some words where you want say, when you want talk one thing, you must use a very negative something to describe that thing. I don't know why.
But another thing again, what I won't even talk about now. Say, una no fit say that time don't reach you. Say we need to watch the kind of lyrics so we dey use because some lyrics can be so annoying. When you talk of say, if that's Efejoku for instance, Pastor Pikin with the smoke. You know, you go tell Pastor say
the problem I have. The problem I have.
We need to check into
first and
our
foremost, if Lucas they watch us. I know that they watch us. We dey online. We dey everywhere. We don't go many events together. So I can see him as a. I don't want to call him friend because first of all, he go feel like the age mate because I look young like him. But you know,
who look young?
I look
young.
So
you call yourself
Showman, you look young?
I'm young.
I better go small break. I bet. We dey come back. Yes, you're welcome back. I beg today now Friday things that we do inside this bar today. And we just the gist here, the gist many things. We talk about music, we talk about so many other things because music self, if they are go see the make relationship they spluffic.
SHAKARA was saying something about the Ianya song and the rest.
Yeah.
So, but I wanted to take point and say I know nobody is free of mistakes, you understand?
True.
But things like music and movie, I believe say when you finish, there's room for editing, so you can still always, you understand? I don't believe you can just rush and throw because
my brother,
I was watching
the hunger for money. And Olamide now they cause this problem. Let me tell you now. Because Olamide, as at last year, now every weekend now they release song. As people they prepare to go club.
You don't see a new video of Mayweather. That is Mayweather video. That is song now.
No, I've seen that song.
And that song, as I see the video, it can't be like say they reply people for that headies. Where you know the whole wahala of the headies. It can't be like that. And if they clear and they say, go and shut Echo Hotel, shut Yankee, shut Malaysia, shut everywhere.
Before you come back,
I know it is a bragging right of a rapper, and I wish Olamide can stick clearly and do proper hip hop as him supposed to be. Then hip hop get that rivalry, you know, say they always like say. But I feel Olamide to the groom Lil Kesh in a very wrong way. I do not want to see a Lil Kesh who is a small boy.
I told you already, that's the culture of hip hop and rap.
Well, Lil Kesh is not a rapper. Lil Kesh is not a singer. The thing is, I don't know where Lil Kesh is. He's not a rapper, he's not a singer.
I don't know.
In America, hip hop and rap, no be a peaceful game.
Yes.
Do you understand?
I know Mill they call it with Wale, they call it with we know it
get when they shoot each other.
Yeah, but
nobody even shoot knockout.
Now wait till they want shoot.
So why people
let me tell you why they cannot shoot here.
Why they want to shoot?
Because when they want shoot, people like Dangote will see call people and say no. Dangote knows that I have to go to the mainland and they solve the wahala. But before I even forget, I know say a lot of times we they like to criticize. I prefer to stay in Nigeria and criticize our own Nigerian,
of course,
things when we get here. And when we do it, not because we try to either bring you down. No, we love our country. We love what you're doing. I like Olamide. I love Lil Kesh. I love their song. But we try.
I'm not saying that this small talk, the way people they talk.
Yes,
they make some of them sit up.
Well, I'm saying so because I watched. Where was it? The guy initiative calling names. We were all colleagues. Everybody like yesterday, and talking about what them were talking about. My Lovely Empire, where people don't criticize Empire of late. Say Empire, say the season 2, season 2, say it don't make sense. And they were really the hammer on Empire say no do it. And I call the one I say, see all the wahala we get for Nollywood, for Nigeria here, we they leave Nollywood, they should go Empire. Where America don't go far. I don't think we should go that far. Nollywood sell themselves, they get issue. Let us focus on
You don't say Nollywood don't divide. One branch, there's Sabah. 2 branches,
exactly.
Lagos.
Thank you. Yes.
The reason why they wrong, if I will talk about movie.
Another one they not.
Yes, now.
I beg. Waka don't reach now. Where will they go?
Where? Party time.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.